वाह। बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि ब्रीफ हमको जो दिया गया वो था यंग वाइब्रेंट यूथ को यू नो बुलाना था हमें टीवी पर वापस। तो इसलिए था कि एक कलरफुल हाउस बनाते हैं जो फैंटास्टिकली जंप करे हर वॉल से बाहर। लेकिन करते करते हमें ये पता चला कि जब हम डिज़ाइन कर रहे थे तो हम पेंटिंग्स बना रहे थे, बिग ह्यूज पेंटिंग्स, बट पेंटिंग नॉर्मल पेंटिंग्स बोरिंग होते हैं। तो क्या कर सकते हैं, लेट्स टेक द पेंटिंग्स आउट फ्रॉम द पेंटिंग। तो हर चीज़ जट आउट हो रही थी। तो करते करते हमें पता चला कि इतने इंस्टॉलेशंस है तो इट लुक्स लाइक अ म्यूजियम, तो व्हाई नॉट मेक इट अ म्यूजियम। तो ये आ गया, तो वेलकम टू बीबी म्यूजियम, दैट्स द थीम ऑफ द प्लेस।
फिल्म सिटी अब शिफ्ट हो गया है, तो इजी है या फिर कुछ चेंजेस हैं या फिर अच्छे हैं या बुरे हैं जैसे?
सो अच्छा बुरा तो मतलब हर जगह का होगा, बट येस हम लोग ये करना चाहते थे कुछ सालों से, बिकॉज द टीम कम्स क्लोजर बैक टू देयर फैमिली एज वेल। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम बॉम्बे। दिस ईयर जो फैक्टर्स सारे थे उसमें वो आ गए, सो वी कुड डू इट. It was a tough exercise. The production and operations team have struggled 6 months. They put together the Marathi house, parallelly put together this house. The rains haven't helped. So a lot of stuff and effort went into ये पूरा infrastructure खड़ा करने के लिए. So full kudos to the team there.
Umang, how many days did it take to build this set?
Generally it takes 60 days, so 45 to 60 days is what we are planning. Yes, but as he said, the rains were huge this time to get it done. Still we couldn't complete the garden because इतना time लगा था, बारिश बाहर आ रही. तो yes, but finally, Lonavala ho, Mumbai ho, doesn't make any difference, because once you're in it, you don't know what outside world is. So that's what it is. Lonavala से मुंबई आ गए.
So
Mirrors like Uma, used to mirrors is like very much common right now, very first season. So is there a conscious decision of using the mirrors, or it's just there for, I mean, to try to...
So this is part of the technical aspect, because you have cameras behind them also. So the mirrors are one-way mirrors. These aren't mirrors. They're one-way mirrors only, and therefore there's a camera gully that goes all around the house. There's also for close-up and all that. So it's more a technical reason.
And Umang, the bathroom has shifted to this side, the other side this time. Tell us more about that.
It's basically reshifting, and changing the orientation of the house that makes it more fun. Not that the previous season people come over here and stay. So everything is new for them as it is when they come. It's just that when we start, designing and conceptualizing के कौन सा कैमरा एंगल ज़्यादा मिलेगा हमें, तो उस हिसाब से when we finally sit with the creative team, this is the maximum area that we get. We should get from the kitchen exact view to the bedroom, because वहाँ से somebody is gonna point out, अच्छा वो आज खाना बना रही है. तो that मज़ा करने के लिए we were not getting it. So that's why first the bathroom was here. So we shifted it there to get the access over there for the bedroom.
Which is your favorite part of the house?
Oh, every wall. I mean, I can't say which is more crazier than
One highlight if
Huh?
you had to pick up?
the highlight. Basically, is that wall. Who are you? I mean, it's the biggest painted wall that we have done. It's which animal are you? And that what everyone asks. मैं तो एक शेर हूँ. It's like गीदड़ है, ये सांप है पीछे से. So that's the backbiting bit comes from there. And when you are finished with the house, we finished with talking to each other. That's when the walls talk to you, and that's when we come in. It's like पहले तो हाँ beautiful, वो sense नहीं बनता. बाद में धीरे धीरे what we put in, that starts making sense. There are words over here. Generally we don't do words. Okay, I've been told never to do words. अगर words होंगे तो हिंदी में होंगे, this that. So I said, why not? Let's try this time. So that's what you will start asking questions when you're reading this. This is me. ऊपर लगा हुआ है chess board. Okay, chess board is like अभी मेरी चाल कौन सी है, मैं राजा हूँ, रानी हूँ, या स्मॉल सोल्जर जो मात दे देगा. Karma wall is my thing. Like dear Karma, these are the people who you missed. Please do something about it. That's all.
And Abhishek in all celebrity season.
Section to design. Basically, there's nothing to as difficult. Like I was telling him also, the most fun I have throughout the year designing is Big Boss House, because it's full freedom. You can do whatever you want, and plus, yes, later on somebody will say, ये wall नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. Okay, इसमें क्या करें? So I said, यार बाद में अच्छा लगेगा. Don't worry. Let Vanita come in and she puts in her stuff. Then suddenly the empty wall becomes beautiful. But yes, we were trying a lot. Like, what should the kitchen be? Okay, it's not difficult. Yet we knew that we would have lots of plates on it. But because the whole house is colorful, do we make that colorful or we give them a break? So that's how the whole wall became white. Why? Because the colors will come out from the contestants itself, and that's why. And that, if you can see those two chandeliers which are there, which is exploding, that's the place with the maximum of explosion that happens, is the kitchen. That's how it is.
So this time we are going to see new launch metro station में तो is this something related to the whole Big Boss the task or something like that? Or we are not going to see this time jail also, the punishment or everything.
So that part will come out in that press conference. Jail and all ka, the thing is that we also want to mix up things. So every year if you give the same layout, it's like saying कि ये मतलब कोई builder का map आता है वैसे नहीं है. अब उसमें changes करोगे, so that there's a surprise factor for the contestants coming in. That's more refreshing for the viewer to watch. So eventually ये पूरा उस पे dependent है. So that's why we want to change things up. We don't want to keep it very vanilla every time.
And since it's an all celebrity season, Umang, was that also in your mind when you were designing the house?
I have no idea who are
No,
coming in.
because it's
no,
all
nothing like
celeb,
that.
yeah.
Nothing like that.
At the design time, so I don't think even the cast was.
Yeah, even the
like
cast.
most people were met also. So
How excited are you about having an all celeb season once again back to this?
it's as excited as each season. So primarily the matter is, I think we also need to, same reason that we do with the layout of the house is what we need to do with the contestants. We've had a mix of commoners and celebs, all celebs, maybe all commoners soon in some of the coming seasons. But yeah, as excited as ever. It's also a big landmark. It's the 10th season for Salman as a host. So we're looking forward to this one big time. We're excited about it.
इस बार कितने कैमरेज हैं? लाइक हर बार कैमरेज की जितनी भी ये होती है वो बढ़ा दी जाती है, इस बार टोटल
Basically, the area is bigger than Lonavala over here. It's 18,500 area. So obviously, we require more cameras. So there are some 93 cameras everywhere. What you can see and what you can't see, they're all hidden. And plus, few more will be added along.
bedroom के लिए कोई special theme इस बार दिखाना
No, nothing. If you see the bedroom, you'll see there are 3 beds together, and this is the first time. उतना bedsheet मिलता भी नहीं इतना बड़ा, वो problem होता है. But there are single, there's double and 3, so that question mark will always be there. ये कौन लेगा? So it's nothing much more than that.
Living area, I can see very interesting screen right behind you guys. वो जो sitting area है, it's like a sunny side up.
Yes. That's the place. Is like, get up in the morning, or you will see the odd one out who's not going to sleep there will go and sleep on the egg over there.
and
So that half fry is there, which is going to take much of the area. But फिर बाद में यही होता है कि लोग वहाँ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं तो उसको शिफ्ट करो, वो बाद में आएगा धीरे धीरे.
and this stair is also very
This stair is what we wanted to just add different corners. Generally हम steps देते नहीं, अगर वो भाग जाएंगे तो इधर देख के हमने डमी बना दिया कि भाई आगे कहीं नहीं जाता है. But still there are cushions so they can go and prong there. There is some privacy down there also. So there are different nooks and corners that we've created for to get more मजा in the sets.
भागने के नाम से याद है कि लोग भागने की कोशिश भी करते हैं, तो उसके लिए कुछ है कि काफी ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं लोग और
नहीं जाएंगे किधर जाएंगे, बॉम्बे में ये कहाँ भाग नहीं सकते हैं. So, वैसे भी भागने वाले भाग किधर भी सकते हैं, वो हम वैसे सोचते नहीं हैं. बट हाँ, walls are high so they can't do that.
And anything about the
on the
contestant?
show as a contestant.
Me?
We could consider it.
हाँ, हमेशा सोचता हूँ if I am here what would I do over here. But the thing is if I have built everything so I know inside out ये खुलने वाला, ये होने वाला, इधर ये होना, तो देर मज़ा नहीं आएगा. But हाँ, I love I watch every episode. Me and my wife see every episode possible. So I'm a hardened fan because I
Umang,
didn't.
anything
So when
about
it
the
comes to
confessions?
designing, Salman के कुछ inputs होते हैं
हाँ?
when it comes to designing the whole house.
Not quite, but he's excited. He always asks, बनाया क्या? मेरा घर किया क्या? It's like 4 बार पूछ चुके हैं already
House
from
is
this
shabby
end.
this time.
It's beautiful. I mean, it will slowly get unfolded later on, but yes, it's beautiful.
And anything about the confession that you'd like to share that's besides there, anything different?
Confession is generally, a big boss eye contact.
Yeah,
So it has to be more intimate. It has to be, a lot of one-on-one. अपनी भड़ास जो निकालते हो. So it's this time we've done lots of ropes. Cut ropes and back ropes and bulbs hanging. So it's a very, closeness उसमें. लेकिन जो ropes है वो earthiness लाते हैं. That's why the design उसके पीछे से light आएगा तो that earthiness comes in. That's how we do it.
So last time you told us कि किचन की काफ़ी चीज़ें डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई थी, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने कुछ फिक्स करा हुआ है चीज़ें.
सब प्लेट फिक्स कर दिए, खाना खाएंगे तो ऊपर दीवार पर चढ़ के खाना खाएंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा हमको ये देखना पड़ता है कि कुछ हाथ में नहीं आ जाए, कुछ यहाँ निकल के नहीं आए, तो उस हिसाब से फिक्स तो करना ही पड़ता है। पर वो भी पता चलता है, हम जब देखते हैं, मैं और मेरा भाई देखते हैं, ये तोड़ दिया लोग ने, क्यों तोड़ दिया, ये बराबर नहीं लगाया, तो ऑब्वियसली दुख होता है। लेकिन ऑब्वियसली 3 महीने रह के कोई कुछ भी कर सकता है, तो वी हैव टू बेयर एवरीथिंग इन माइंड।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.